Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dekan, aka Coco, aka Queen of DIYs, and that's because I make DIY videos on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you're not subscribed, definitely make sure that you are subscribed. Click on the notification bell to make sure that you're notified every single time that I post the video. And yeah, so in today's video we're going to be learning how to make this whipped body scrub. This body scrub is rich, it is luscious, it is mostly for people with normal to dry skin. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this very rich body scrub, then definitely keep watching. But before then, you can thumbs up this video to let YouTube know that you like my content, and see you in the workspace. So before we get into the video, I wanted to mention that the oils and butters I'm going to be using are from Dr. Momhan. Dr. Momhan is a Turkish company that specializes in organic raw ingredients, butters, oils, and all of that. They also have products that they've put together, hair products, manicure and pedicure products, like lots of products. So, but they are all organic and natural, so you can definitely check them out. I wanted to mention that this video is not sponsored, but they were kind enough to gift me these items that I'm using in this video. So yeah, I'm going to leave a link to their website in my description box, and I'm going to leave their phone number, and I think they ship worldwide, so you can definitely check them out. So yeah, first we are going to need a bowl and a spatula for what we are going to do, and then I'm going to be transferring my butters into the bowl, and all the ingredients will be listed in the description bar, so definitely check that out. So now I just popped my butter, like the bowl with my butter, into hot water, and this is a double boiler method, just to melt down the butter as much as I can. So now I'm going to be going in with my oils, and now I'm going in with my argan oil. And like I said, all the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. And then I'm also going to go in with my moringa oil, and here I'm going to give about 4 drops. I just want the properties of a rich moringa oil in my body scrub, and I'm not adding too much because we have butters already there, so we don't want things overly oily and greasy. So yeah, so now that it is melted down to a certain level, I didn't wait for it to completely melt down. That is because it's almost like double work, because if it completely melts down, you're gonna have to still wait for it to solidify. So yeah, now I'm going in with my wicks, and I'm just going to whisk that and break everything together properly. So as you can see, it's almost getting into a paste formula or a paste form, but now this paste form is not hard enough to actually create a paste. So I'm actually going to pop this in the fridge for a few minutes, and then bring it back about 30 minutes. And now it's solidified a little bit more, and then going to blend and whisk away. Now doing this helps to give it a fluffy texture, which is what we are looking for. I mean, popping it in the fridge, but if you were lucky enough not to melt it down as much as I did, then you can definitely get away with not popping it in the fridge for a second time or something. So yeah, I'm just whipping that away, and now this whipping process is very important, because this is what gives the body scrub the fluff that you want. And now we are not going to be using e-wax or any of that, so this is just like a simple body scrub that any and everybody can make. So yeah, the only work we need to do here is fluff our butter a lot more than we would usually do. So it's going to take some minutes, and as you can see, it took me a little while, even if I was fast forwarding the video because of time. And now I'm going to be going in with my granulated sugar, which is going to act as our exfoliant. So now I'm just adding about 3 half cups, And then I'm going in with my hibiscus and rose flower blend, and that is just to give it some color and texture and just add some oomph to the body scrub, because I didn't want it to just be blah. So now I'm just mixing that back into the butter, and I'm trying to create more fluff with the butter. So yeah, now I'm going in with more hibiscus and rose powder actually. So yeah, now I'm blending that back again, and then I'm just fluffing it out with my spatula and checking the consistency for what I want. Now you don't have to go extra really whipping that, but I like to do that because it just gives it the fluff, and when you're using it in the shower you just get the fluff that you want. So yeah, now my choice of essential oil is lavender and rose essential oil blend, which gives it a very beautiful fragrance. So yeah, that was my choice, so you can always use whichever one is your favorite. So now I'm just showing you guys the consistency of my scrub now that we are done. And yeah, we have our whipped body scrub, and this is such a perfect whip. It's good for people with normal to dry skin, especially if you have dry skin and you're always afraid of exfoliating. This would be a good way because it's rich in butters and oils and nothing drying for your skin, and once you're done your skin still remains moisturized and hydrated. So yeah, you can use this in the shower, and what's optional is that you can add your preservative at the ending part of your formulation. And yeah, so now you don't have to fill your own jar like this. Is because I was going to take pictures. So now we have our body scrub ready to get into the shower and slow away dead skin cells. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to thumbs it up, make sure to subscribe if you're not. Are you going to try this body scrub? Definitely drop a comment down below because I like to read your comments. And I also want to thank you guys for the support so far. I do not take it for granted. I appreciate every one of you that tunes into my channel, whether you're subscribed or not. I definitely appreciate you. And yeah, that's it for this video. And as usual, I wish you a perfect, beautiful, and luscious skin. Expect more content from me as I'm ready and pumped to make more content. And yeah, see you guys in my next one. Mwah. 'Cause you said this is all you